cursive lowercase t. The reason why you follow lowercase I with the T is because they're made nearly the same way. Lowercase t begin at your baseline with an undercurve all the way to your top line. Come down as a slant, retracing, then you have an undercurve. Lift your pencil, cross your T. Start at your baseline, undercurve, slant, undercurve, cross your T. Undercurve, slant, undercurve, cross. Baseline all the way to the top, undercurve, slant down, all the way back down to the baseline, cross. Here are two of them, all the way to the top line, down to the baseline, come up, cross your T, cross your T. Three of them. Come up again, retrace, slant, undercurve right into your next one. Make sure you go to that top line all the way down to the baseline. Come back, cross your T. If I zoom in here, you'll start to notice in this second example how my T's started to separate. I did not do as good of a job with retracing when I was coming back down in my T. Okay, so you want to make sure again that when you do your undercurve to your top line from your baseline, you retrace that original line. Look, I've already started to separate. That's when you want to erase it and do it again. Okay, so again, baseline to your top, retrace, come down to the baseline, cross your T.